forget to like, share and subscribe.
Hello students, today we are going to discuss problem based on previous lecture. Problem number 1. Simplify. This into this plus this into this equal to. This is scalar. Any number lies between minus 1 to 1 we all know. Cos theta lies between minus 1 to 1. So scalar. Now multiply scalar with matrix. Means multiply this number with each element of matrix. Cos theta into cos theta. Cos square theta. Cos theta into sin theta. This into this. Minus sin theta into cos theta. And this into this. Cos square theta plus sin theta into sin theta, sin square theta minus sin theta into cos theta, sin theta into cos theta, sin theta into cos theta, or sin theta into sin theta, sin square theta. To add two matrices, we just add their corresponding elements. This plus this, cos square theta plus sin square theta. This plus this, sin theta into cos theta minus sin theta into cos theta. This plus this, minus sin theta cos theta plus sin theta cos theta. Cos square theta plus sin square theta. Cancel. We all know identity of 10th class. Sin square theta plus sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1, 0, 0 and 1. So this is identity matrix. Next problem. Find x and y if this plus this equal to this. So this is look like linear equation in two variables. Give equation number 1 and equation number 2. Now eliminate one of the variable. So multiply equation 1 with 2. Now 2 2 ja 4x plus 6y is equal to, multiply each element with 2. So 2 2 ja 4, 2 4 ja 8, 2 3 ja 6 and 0. Give equation number 3. Now equation 2 into 3. We get 3 3 ja 9x, 3 2 ja 6y is equal to 3 2 ja 6, 3 into minus 1 minus 3, 3 into minus 2 minus 6, 3 5 ja 15. Now subtract equation 4 from 3. So sign will be changed, minus and here minus. 4x minus 9x minus 5x cancel is equal to 4 minus 6 minus 2. 6 minus 6 means 12. 8 minus 3 11. And 0 minus 15 minus 15. Dividing both sides by minus 5. So x equal to minus 2 upon minus 5, 2 by 5, 12 upon minus 5, minus 12 by 5, minus 11 by 5 and plus 3. Now similarly, multiply matrix 1 with 3. Equation 1 into 3 implies 6x plus 9y is equal to 3 2 ja 6, 3 3 ja 9, 3 4 ja 12 and 0. And multiply equation 2 with 2. 2 3 ja 6x, 2 to the 4y is equal to 2 to the 4 minus 2 minus 4 and plus 10. Again subtract. So this time matrix X will be inverted. Minus sign, minus sign, minus sign. Cancel. 9y minus 4y, 5y is equal to 6 minus 4 to 9 minus minus 4. So 9 plus 4, 13. 12 minus minus 2, 14. 0 minus 10 minus 10. Dividing both sides by y, 5 sorry. Dividing both sides by 5. So y equal to 2 by 5, 13 by 5, 14 by 5 and minus 2. Next problem. If fx equal to this, show that fx into fy equal to fx plus y. So start from LHS. Fx into fy is equal to fx means cos x sin x 0 minus sin x cos x 0 0 0 1. अब now write fy means replace x by y. So cos y sin y 0 minus sin y cos y 0 0 0 1. This is 3 by 3 matrix and this is also 3 by 3 matrix. Column of first matrix is equal to row of second matrix, means matrix product exists and we multiply row by column. Row of first matrix with column of second matrix. So first row of first matrix is cos x minus sin x and 0. First row of first matrix cos x minus sin x and 0. Please write extreme left. Now R1 C1, this into this, cos x into cos y, sin y into minus sin x means minus sin x into sin y and at last 0. So plus 0. If there is no space, then don't write in exam. Now R1 C2, this into this, minus cos x sin y minus sin x into cos y and at last 0 plus 0 plus 0. अब now multiply R2 into C1, R2 into C2. So now write R2. Sin x cos x 0. Sin x cos x 0. Now R2 into C1. Sin x into cos y. Sin x into cos y. Cos x into sin y. Cos x into sin y. Now R2 C2 minus sin x sin y plus cos x cos y and last term same, 0 plus 0 plus 0. Now R3 0 0 1 0 0 1. Now R3 C1 0 plus 0 plus 0. R3 C2 same 0 plus 0 plus 0, and R3 into C3, 0 plus 0 plus 1. Now simplify. Cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. This is look like cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. So this is formula of cos A plus B, means cos x plus y. Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. So this is formula of sin x minus x plus y. Sorry, sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Sin A plus B 0. Both are negative, so taking minus sign common. So in bracket we get sin y cos x sin y, means sin A plus B formula. So sin x plus y, and cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. So this is formula of cos x plus y, and 0. And last 0, 0 and 1. Now compare with this fx equal to this. If here x, then here cos x. If here cos x plus y, means outside fx plus y. Hence proved. Next problem. Find this if a equal to this. To find value of this, first we have to find value of a square. A square means a into a. Product of two matrices. Matrix A 2, 2, 1, 0, 1, minus 1, 1, 3, 0 into 2, 2, 1, 0, 1, minus 1, 1, 3, 0. This is 3 by 3 matrix. This is also 3 by 3 matrix. Column of first matrix equal to row of second matrix, means matrix product exists. Now multiply. We multiply row by column. So first row of first matrix 2, 0, 1, and here I column C1, C2 and C3. We did number of questions. Now start directly. R1 C1 2 to ja 4, 2 into 0 0, 1 into 1 1. Now R1 C2 2 into 0 0, 1 into 0 0, minus 1 into 1 minus 1. Now R1 C3 1 into 2 2, 3 into 0 0, 0 into 1 0. Now R2. In R2 2 1 3. R2 C1 2 into 2, again 4, 2 into 1 2, 1 into 3 3, 2 into 0 0, 1 into 1 1, minus 3. Now 2 into 1 2, plus 3 plus 0. Now take row 3, 1 minus 1 0, 1 minus 1 0, R3. Now R3 C1 2 into 1 2, 2 into minus 1 minus 2, 1 into 0 0, R3 C2 0 minus 1 and 0, R3 C3 1 minus 3 and 0. Now simplify. Is equal to 4 over 1 5 minus 1 2, 4 to 6 or 3 9, 1 minus 3 minus 2, 2 plus 3 plus 5, 2 minus 2 0, minus 1, 1 minus 3 minus 2. So this is 3 by 3 matrix. I will to find value of this a square minus 5a. So therefore a square minus 5a plus 6i is equal to a square 5 minus 1 2, 9 minus 2 5 0 minus 1 minus 2 minus 5 into matrix A. Matrix A means 2 to 1, 2 to 1, 0 1 minus 1, 1 3 0 plus 6 I. Now I means identity matrix of order 1, order 2, order 3. So order of matrix I is same as order of matrix A, means 3 by 3. 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Now simplify. 5 9 0 as it is, minus 1 minus 2 minus 1 2 5 minus 2. Multiply this matrix with minus 5. Here write plus sign. Minus 5 to the minus 10 minus 10 minus 5. 0 minus 5 plus 5 minus 5 minus 15 0 plus 6 1 just 6 0 0 0 6 0 0 0 6 is equal to 5 or 6 11. 11 minus 10 1 minus 1 2 or minus 5 minus 3 9 or minus 10 minus 1 minus 2 or minus 5 minus 7 or 6 minus 1 5 or minus 15 minus 10 0 or minus 5 minus 5 minus 1 or 5 4 minus 2 plus 0 or plus 6 plus 4. Next problem. If A equal to this and I equal to this, find K so that this equal to this. So again we have to find A square. A square means product of A into A. So first write matrix A. 3 4 minus 2 minus 2 into 3 4 minus 2 minus 2. This is 2 by 2 matrix and this is also 2 by 2 matrix. So product exists. Column of first matrix equal to row of first matrix. Second matrix, sorry. C1, C2. First write R1. First row of first matrix 3 or minus 2. Here we write sum of product of corresponding elements of R1 and C1. So 3 into 3 9. 4 into minus 2 minus 8. 3 into 3 9 minus 8. Now minus 6 minus 4. Now R2 4 minus 2. R2 C1 3 4 ja 12 4 2 ja minus 8. Now minus 8 and plus 4. Now simplify. 9 minus 8 1 minus 10 12 minus 8 4 minus 8 plus 4 minus 4. So we get 2 by 2 matrix. Since A square is equal to K into A minus 2 into identity matrix. A square 1 4 minus 10 minus 4 is equal to K into A. K into matrix A. 3 4 minus 2 minus 2 minus 2 into identity matrix 1 0 0 1. Now simplify. 1 4 minus 10 minus 4 is equal to 3k 4k minus 2k minus 2k plus multiply with minus 2. So minus 2 0 0 minus 2. Simplify right hand side, write left hand side as it is. 1, 4 minus 10 minus 4 is equal to 3k minus 2 minus 2k plus 4k minus 2k minus 2. This is 2 by 2 matrix. This is also 2 by 2 matrix and both are equal. If two matrices are equal, then their corresponding elements are equal. So take any pair. On comparing, 4 equal to 4k. So k is equal to 1. But cross verify. Just take all the elements. 3k minus 2 equal to 1. So 3k equal to 3. So k equal to 1. Minus 2k equal to minus 10. So k equal to 5. How is possible? This equal to this equal to this means these two matrices are equal. मतलब k की वैल्यू भी सेम आनी चाहिए इन ईच केस. या तो हमने क्वेश्चन करते हुए गलती करी है या फिर क्वेश्चंस गलत है. मैंने यहाँ पे जान करके मिस्टेक्स करी थी ताकि बच्चे चेक कर ले. तो नॉर्मली क्या होता है, ऐसा बच्चे कंपेयर करके वैल्यू लिख के आ जाते हैं k इक्वल टू 1, जबकि क्वेश्चन रॉन्ग होता है, उन्होंने मिस्टेक करी होती है. हियर मिस्टेक इज व्हेन आई मल्टीप्लाई r1 into c2, 3 into minus 2 minus 6, minus 2 into minus 2 plus 4. So we get minus 6 plus 4 minus 2. Means here also minus 2, here also minus 2, here also minus 2. Or when we compare, minus 2k equal to minus 2, so k equal to 1. In last case, minus 2k minus 2 equal to minus 4, so minus 2k equal to minus 2, so k equal to 1. So correct answer is 1. So compare each and every term and then write the value of k. In next video, we will do more questions based on addition, subtraction and multiplication. Thank you. Have a nice day.